Have you ever dreamed of being free from the things that haunt your memory? Have you ever locked yourself inside to find that there is nowhere left to hide? Waiting here where the waters meet, the voices of a world in need. Love, calm down. Standing here in the burning street, the widows cry and the orphans weep. Love, calm down. Have you ever seen the kingdom fall and wondered why you'd like to have it all? Have you ever loved and lost the fight to the one you thought would save your life? Waiting here where the waters meet, the voices of a world in need. Love, calm down. Standing here in the burning street, the widows cry and the orphans weep. Love, calm down. Have you ever been afraid to die? Afraid of all the things you fought? And have you lost the will to live? Well, there is hope as we are waiting.